Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that go to our profile and click edit profile. And after that, here you can find turn to professional mode your account. Click that, go back, and now you can go to your DM. And if you want to hide Instagram chats, you must swipe to left and click general. And now you can find this chat here. Click, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.